And the two firms are complementary to each other, and we work well together. And in terms of meeting clients, in terms of our whole approach to the market, it's been very well received. And long may that continue from my point of view.
Toby and Ali, as you're probably fully aware, Saudi Arabia is one of the most exciting markets in the Middle East for construction activities at the moment, with a huge amount of money being invested in some world-class developments. It'd be good to open the webinar to discuss a bit more about the background of the Fenwick Elliott and Hammad Al-Mehdar alliance. So could you both tell me a little bit why Fenwick Elliott collaborated with Hammad Al-Mehdar, and what was the objective of the partnership?
Yeah, sure. Ali, do you mind if I go first on that? I think basically Fenwick Elliott is obviously an international law firm, but we're purely specialist in construction. That's quite unusual. There's lots of very good large international firms out there with very good construction departments, but there's very few international firms that specialize purely in construction. And we think that brings a unique element to the input we can provide. And what we as a firm have a history of having done acted on a number of significant disputes in the kingdom over the years, as Fenwick Elliott ourselves. But what we increasingly saw was that there was a need for the local expertise, both in Saudi law and also in the Saudi courts, and in the particular intricacies of the dispute resolution processes that take place in the kingdom. There's international arbitration, of course, but there's also the local courts. What we decided to do was go and seek out a local partner in the kingdom who could support us, who would work alongside us. And the reason why Ali and I work so well together, and the firms work so well together, is that Ali has his own construction team, of course, as well, which is very important. We provide the heavy international construction expertise, and Ali provides this very specific and Saudi local experience, both in the courts and in the local law. And the two firms are complementary to each other, and we work well together. And in terms of meeting clients, in terms of our whole approach to the market, it's been very well received. And long may that continue from my point of view.
Thank you, Toby and Ashley. And just to kind of build on what Toby has said, we've met over a year ago, and the idea we're brainstorming at that time that it would be really nice to have a firm that has both the international capabilities and the local know-hows. And when we built that alliance and we put it in the test, that actually worked better than expected. Both of our firms are able to bring to our clients the best practices in terms of construction and energy markets and disputes. Not only that, but only to add the local angle to it. Sometimes it's very difficult to translate international concepts into local kind of law language. But that alliance, you're able to kind of take these best practices and convert them into local concepts that work. It's effective, it works, it brings the best out of both of us. So it's been really nice working with Fenwick Elliott so far, and we have high hopes on the future for both of us and Fenwick and our clients as well.